Information becomes even more meaningful and useful, as one takes them in the context of their physical environment, particularly geography. Children will understand better why the troop of Magellan was defeated by the troop of Lapu-Lapu, despite the fact that the first were far better armed. In other words, events do not happen, nor things come to be in a vacuum. Everything happens in the context of a place, and that is why people are so interested about places, their location, direction, and characteristics. Geography is the study that provides all these. A very popular description of geography is that it is the study of the Earth's surface. As such, it covers the understanding of the relationship of man with his physical environment. It deals with understanding of the landforms, directions, climate, population, soil, and activities of the people in the context of their physical environment. Geography is generally classified into two categories, namely, physical geography and human geography. Physical geography includes the following studies: geomorphology. This discipline deals with the study of the landforms, the relief features of the Earth and its evolution, thus, closely relating to geography. Children will therefore study rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, valleys, plains, mountains, to name a few. Biogeography or ecogeography. This discipline deals with the study of the plant and animal distribution. As it deals with the plants and animals in the continuum of life on the Earth's surface, it necessarily relates to ecology, which deals with habitat. Climatology. This discipline deals with the study of climate and weather, the changes in them and the processes resulting in such changes. Children will, thus, be exposed to the study of the seasons, typhoons, climatic changes, etc. On the other hand, human geography may be subdivided into cultural geography, which studies population distribution and its changing pattern; economic geography, which deals the analysis of the economic activity of man in relation to his environment; political geography, which deals with the projections of the political boundaries of countries, their changes, and the reason for such changes; and urban geography, which deals with the growth of towns and cities. With this, children get to know how people live in different places, and how they are able to survive in their particular habitats. The outcome of its study should really be an understanding of man's contact with nature. Its influence should be practical and social. Such influence should make the children feel comfortable in their environment, knowing how to address challenges brought about by them. Therefore, the children of Calayan Island in Batanes should be able to appreciate the beauty of the environment, and at the same time, accept and address the challenges of storms, big waves and isolation from the mainland. As they understand their environment, the children of Calayan will be able to relate well with their environment. Fundamental concepts. Teaching geography among the grade school pupils requires a simple but precise discussion of some basic concepts. Presenting these concepts in concrete forms will help students grasp the essence of geography. Some concepts of physical geography include, among others, space, time, location, direction, landforms, altitude, latitude, boundaries, etc. Human geography includes the concepts of adaptation, ecology, culture, population density, migration, urbanization, etc. All these subject matter content should be presented in a spiraling continuum, that young children come face to face with simple concepts first, preparing them for more complex ones. Significance of geography today. Many Filipinos are abroad as migrant workers. For them and their families, geography is important. It is important for the Filipino workers to know where they are going, and what kind of people live in the place of their destination. The study of geography is significant to all, not only to the Filipino migrant workers. It is significant because of the following. It provides people with location and direction. Many people travel for different reasons. Some travel to work, others travel for pleasure, and still others travel to study, or to attend a conference. They all want to know where they are heading for, and what awaits them in their place of destination. Geography will tell them the shortest way to the place, what to expect, and which direction to go. It prepares travelers. Because geography provides information about the place and the people, travelers will be able to prepare the proper clothes to bring, consider the things they will need to protect themselves, and decide on the best time of the year to travel. They can anticipate things, and consequently prepare themselves. It helps people understand one another. As one becomes familiar with the geography of a place, one gets to understand the lifestyle of its people. One becomes tolerant of other people's ways, and appreciates their positive character. For example, a child who is familiar with the geography of the mountain province will understand why the Ifugaos made the rice terraces. It helps readers make decisions. Leaders who know how to use geography will be able to make wise decisions. For example, leaders will know what infrastructure projects will be best for a particular region. They will be able to come up with projects that are suited to the characteristics of the place. In effect, they can use the place's geographical features to the best advantage of the people. It is important to determine the economic development of a nation. Knowledge of the physical features and natural resources of a place is significant to investors. For example, mineral deposits are extremely important to them. The location of their business enterprise is also of great value. For example, settlements along rivers, like those of the early Filipinos along the Pasig River, tend to develop faster because of their accessibility to traders and travelers. The strategic location of the place and its natural resources make it truly attractive to investors. Tools in the study of geography. The Earth's surface is reflected in 3 tools, which make the study of its surface easy, namely, maps, globes, and atlases. Maps are the flat projections of the Earth's surface. Since all the information regarding a place or locality cannot be contained in just one map, different kinds of maps have been developed. These are the following. Political map. This map shows the boundaries of the governmental units or territories. Topographic map. This map shows the landforms of a given area. Cadastral map. This map shows ownership of parcels of land. Meteorological map. This map shows The relationship between atmosphere and weather conditions. Transportation map. This map shows the highways, roads, and transportation of a given area. Historical map. This map shows exploration or trade routes, invasions, and other historical movements of events. Distributional map, also known as a thematic or statistical map. This map shows the distribution of things on the Earth's surface. Example: race, species, soil, mineral deposits, etc. Globe, which is a three-dimensional representation of the Earth's surface, can also facilitate understanding of geography. Using the lines that meet at the poles of the sphere, the globe projects a continuous image of equal distance, equal areas, and equal angles. The globe can also effectively illustrate the Earth's relationship with the other heavenly bodies. A useful reference is the atlas, which is a compilation of maps and charts of a particular region of the entire world, with materials which provide pupils with concrete illustrations of the Earth's surface. The understanding of the physical and cultural geography of peoples becomes easy.